We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother HL-L6200dw. So first thing first, anytime you're clearing a jam, you never want to yank really hard or go really fast. If you do, you could damage a sensor, or you could cause more paper jams by ripping off a piece of paper in there. So, press this button here, it'll release your front hatch. Pull your drum out. When I'm working with this machine, that's the first place I want to check. If it's here, it'll be like right here. You'll pull it up and out. Remember to go gently and slowly. The next place I like to check is the back. So you'll pull this out. The paper would be right here. Pretty easy to pull it up and out. Last but not least, the paper would be here, right at the top. Pull it up and out. If you're seeing lots of jams, it's probably time to bring your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
And how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades. Contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.